Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. We welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Periodic classification of elements. Class 9, subject chemistry. You can see here the picture. Some books are clumbled and some books are arranged. Why we want to arrange a books? To take a particular books from the particular shelf, we are arranging a books in a particular order. Like that, we are going to arrange the elements in a periodic classification. Let us see in this session. We live in the world of substance with great diversity, and substance are formed by the combination of various elements. All elements are unique in nature and they have a unique property. To categorize the elements, we need some specific reasons. 1800, there were only 31 elements found by scientists. In year 1865, there are 63 elements, but now we have 118 elements. In that, 96 elements are naturally occur. As the different elements are being discovered, scientists and gathered more and more information of the element, they have a difficult to arrange the elements in order. And many scientists came and they have found the many various reasons to arrange the elements. First, we are going to see about Daubernier. He is the first scientist arranged the element in a order. How he arranged the elements in a order? Let us see. In 1817, John Wilhelm Daubernier is a German chemist and he has arranged the element in triads. It means group of 3 elements. Okay. So, what is said, when the 3 elements in the order, arranging in the ascending order, he has arranged the elements in atomic mass. And when we are arranging a 3 element, the first and third element average will be the middle element atomic mass. The statement is known as Daubernier's law of triads. Let us see. Element lithium, sodium, potassium and atomic mass 6.9, 23, 39.1. So, when you take these 2 elements, 6.9, 39.1, (46.0) divided by 2, you will get 23. So, you will get the middle element atomic mass. So, he has arranged in elements in triads. So, he arranged the elements in triads, 3 elements. First 2 elements atomic mass average will be the middle element. So, when you arranged lithium, sodium and potassium, you will get the middle element sodium atomic mass 23. And limitations of Daubernier. Daubernier could identify only 3 elements like this, and he cannot arrange the elements for the higher order of atomic mass. And next scientist came Newland Octave, and in 1866 John Newland arranged 56 elements. Is a new method, and he has arranged in 88 elements like a Indian music system, sa, ri, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. How the first sa and eighth saw will be the same property, same first element and the eighth element will be the same property. He arranged up to 56 elements. You can see here hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen and fluorine. So this hydrogen and this fluorine shows same property. Newland octave law. Octave of Indian music system, sa, re, ga, ma, pa, da, ni, sa. So how sa will be the first and eighth will be same. The same, he has arranged 56 elements in a order. What is the limitation for this law? There are instances of two elements being fitted to the same slot, cobalt and nickel. Because cobalt and nickel will not show the same property, but when it is fixed like this, cobalt and nickel shows same property. Some elements totally dissimilar in their properties and were fitted to the same group. The law of octave was not valid for elements that have atomic mass very high. So atomic mass high element will not applicable for the Newland octave law. And the inert gas is not discovered when he is arranged 56 elements. So after that they arranged the inert gas. They found the inert gas. Thank you. I hope you understand Daubernier and Newland octave laws. We will see next class. I hope you understand. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur.